In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around image in Constant Contact. To start, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different options. Click on the section labeled Channels to expand it, and then choose Emails. This is where all of your email campaigns live. From your list of emails, find the specific email where you want to wrap text around an image. On the right side of that email, click Edit. This will open the email editor where you can change your content and layout. Inside the editor, focus again on the left panel. Here, you'll see different types of content blocks you can drag into your email. Make sure you're on the Build tab. Scroll down until you find the section called Layouts. In Layouts, you'll see options like Article, Article with Border, Left or Right Column Sidebar, and a few others. These are pre-designed structures that help you organize text and images. For this example, choose the article layout, which is a simple, clean option for placing text and an image side by side. Click and drag the article layout into your email and drop it where you want this section to appear. As soon as you place it, you'll see that it creates a text block and an image block next to each other. If you prefer the image on the right side instead of the left, simply click on the image block, drag it to the right, and drop it when you see the pink position indicator appear. That indicator shows you exactly where the block will land. Next, let's add your image. Click on the image block to open its settings in the left panel, then click the icon to add an image. A pop-up window will appear with several tabs at the top, giving you different ways to bring in your image, such as from your library, by image URL using dynamic language, or from design tools. In this walkthrough, choose library. Select the image you want to use and then click Insert. You should now see your chosen image appear in the block. Adjust any additional image settings on the left panel, such as alignment, size, or linking, to make it look the way you want. Finally, customize your text. Click into the text block and edit the heading and the body content directly. Use the left panel and the inline toolbar to adjust fonts, colors, alignment, and spacing so that your text flows nicely around the image and matches your brand. Once you're happy with both the image and the text, your wrapped layout is ready to use in your email.